Let's talk about what it really means to work toward becoming a journeyman mechanic in the United States. If you're already in the automotive or equipment repair world, you know this field is built on skill, precision, and problem solving. But earning your journeyman certification brings a whole new level of opportunity. Here's the thing. A lot of mechanics have years of hands-on experience, but they aren't always sure how the exam works or what the preparation process should look like. So in this video, I'm breaking it down in a simple way that fits your daily routine. The Journeyman Mechanic credential is recognized across many states, giving you the ability to move, grow, and take on better positions without starting from zero. This kind of mobility is a major advantage for mechanics who travel with work or want the option to relocate for better pay. Most states require a combination of classroom training and supervised practical hours. Once you meet those requirements, you can apply to sit for the exam. The exam usually includes 100 to 150 multiple choice questions, and you'll have around 3.5 to 4 hours to complete it. You might see questions like interpreting diagnostic data, identifying system faults, or choosing the right repair sequence for an engine issue. Topics often include electrical systems, emissions, hydraulics, brakes, drivetrains, steering, diagnostics, service procedures, and safety guidelines. These topics are designed around national occupational standards so that every certified mechanic meets a consistent skill level. When it comes to studying, consistency is everything. Most successful test takers prepare for 3 to 6 months, even if they have plenty of shop experience. Start by reviewing one section at a time: electrical, engine systems, drive systems, diagnostics, and so on. Short, focused study sessions tend to work better than long cram sessions after a long shift. And yes, it's completely normal to feel a little rusty if you haven't written an exam in years. Lots of future journeyman mechanics are older workers returning to school. Some are newcomers to the US adapting to a new certification system. Others simply want more stability, higher wages, or access to specialized roles. Whatever your reason, taking this step shows commitment and pride in your craft. One thing that often helps is linking the exam topics to real jobs you've already done. Think about that tricky diagnostic call you solved, or the time you traced a hard-to-find electrical fault. Those moments build the understanding you need for scenario-style questions on the exam. And if you want a more structured approach, there are tools available. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you can find Q&A books, explanation-based study resources, and online timed practice tests that mirror the exam environment. These tools won't guarantee a pass, but they do make it easier to focus on the areas where you need improvement. Because everything is digital, you can study during lunch, on the bus, or right from your phone. Once you become a certified journeyman mechanic, your career options widen fast. Many mechanics move into roles like shop floor person, service manager, inspector, or equipment specialist. Some open their own repair businesses or take on consulting or training roles. The credential gives you stability during slow seasons and makes you more competitive for higher paying positions. So here's your reminder: create a steady study routine. Use resources that fit your learning style. Lean on your experience. Keep your momentum going. And when you're ready for extra support, check out the tools available at journeymanstudyguide.com. You're capable of more than you think. And your path to becoming a journeyman mechanic is absolutely within reach. Then,